Alright guys, you are once again welcome to this channel. This is Alfredo Keys. So our lesson for today is how to play Ghanaian praise. Very simple Ghanaian praise with bass lines. So we'll be playing the bass line on our left and then the back end on our right. So I'll be playing the key of F major. And then our song is Onyamiye. That is Onyamiye. Yeah, it's a very popular song in Ghana here. So let's start. So I'm playing the key of F major. Alright, so starting with the bass line, this whilst you are on low here, this so la ti do do so la ti do do so. And then you move to so. So you can either play this so or this one. So and from so we are moving to la. So before you go to la, you play so zila. So from la, we are going to your left will go to do, sorry, re. Our next bass line, the note is re. So from la, you go to re. But before you go to re, you play mi mo re. So it is. Here you play Fi, so it is Re against Fi. The Fi will be on your chord, on your right, sorry. So it is Re against Fi. Let's take that one again. So from Fi we are going to so. We're going to so you play this so. So before you go to so you play Fi so with your left. Right, just to make it sound good. So let's start. So whilst you are still on, so you play so la ti, so la ti, so la ti, so it is. Right, that's it. So before you go to tour, from so we are going to tour. So before you go to tour your right, you will play so do ti tola, so do ti tola. Faladi, and then that is di re mi fi so so do, and then di re mi fi so ti do. So it is T against so. The second one was do mi mo re di, do mi mo re di. So you can either play so do ti tola or do mi mo re di, do mi mo re di. So let's put it together. Last time. Thanks for watching, and then if you are new here, please subscribe. If you are new here, please subscribe, and then until our next video, that is next week, just keep playing, keep practicing, and then God bless you. Bye bye.